But the reasons why, the reasons why you did something in the past do not matter in your now. But what we invite you to do is we invite you to, as you are in the midst at one point of loving yourself and appreciating yourself, feeling these loving thoughts, appreciating yourself, when you can really feel you're in there. You are in there. You are rocking it. You love yourself and you know it. You are shaking with the vibrational power of that love for yourself. We invite you to bring to mind an image of yourself in those years where you were not living in this connection and this love. And we invite you to flood that love all over that image of yourself previously. We invite you in that powerful love to flood that love all over the you who existed then. And we want you to recognize how this is very good for you to pull this out, because in your being able to do this, you can heal the now you by pouring love over the past you. By being able to love the you that was creating in your past. That love knows no boundaries of time in your physical reality. That love, that connection to your source, does not have the walls that time create in your physical life. And when you can flood that love over your previous self, we invite you to go back and pick out all kinds of ugly, unlovable images of yourself from the past and just flood it with love. Flood that image with love, and you will see your now life, the power of the changes in your life now, when you can do that and feel the energy of that. People will look at you as if you are magical. They will not be able to believe the power that you will create in your life when you are able to do this. And we know that you are able to do this. But we invite you to really amp up that feeling. When you find yourself in that feeling of knowing that you are God and loving yourself for it, bring in all those old ugly images and just love them all up and witness the changes in your life.